So that's you right there.
So,
Chris.
Well, yeah, Chris Thomas.
All right, that's awesome. Get a real local.
Oh yeah.
Whatever you're playing, whatever works best. I'll play wherever you're playing.
Yeah.
Keep it simple.
Off these blues, then?
Yeah. All right, we're off, Chris. All right, let's go ahead. 18 holes here in South Wales. To get paired up with CJ's ordinary golf, and there's nothing ordinary about Chris's story into YouTube, amassing over 1,500 subscribers and arguably the biggest YouTuber in the area of Wales. And I was grateful to go out there, play a wonderful golf course, and an 18-hole championship golf course that is called the Pebble Beach of Wales. And make sure you subscribe to Chris's channel before moving on. I'll be sure to add it in the description below.
Plain but slightly aromatic rice. Obviously this is rice which goes with this one.
Okay.
So it's like a vegetable sauce. And this is like sort of a sweet tomatoey tandoori chicken. And then you got a traditional, this is peshwari, so it's like sort of, I think it's almond and coconut in that. So it's sort of slightly fragrant. So yeah.
So yeah, it's an 11th century Norman castle.
Wow.
Funny enough, that's where I learnt to play golf.
Really?
In the playing fields underneath, yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
So yeah.
Yeah, it looks...
This big apple, this is all the cast iron thing where they used to sell ice creams and things from, so
Oh, the driving range?
yeah, it's a little practice area.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're good. Oh yeah, it's a little jumping. Oh, that's beautiful.
That sort of stuff.
This has got to be it.
So this is the main office. Around 91, they did that. So this was the old 18th green, and then they shifted it. They dug the lake out and shifted the 18th green.
Wow, this is
over there.
beautiful.
Swings back there, nice.
Wow. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, this is hardly changed actually, from what I remember.
It's really cool with the history.
Yeah. This is probably going to be 40 years old. Yeah, I mean, look at that photo. That's so dated, isn't it?
Wow, yeah.
That's
This looks like it's
16.
AI.
Yeah, that's 16 screen.
All right. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Jazz band that we had in school, we actually played in here.
Really?
We did a jazz night for people, so we actually were at the far end. And,
Oh yeah, you could see that they probably have.
Yeah,
functions.
so they did an event night, and we actually played music in here.
Oh, they got some cool pictures. Wow, 1990.
Yeah, 1900, yeah.
Oh yeah, 1900.
Yeah, 125 years.
I'm off by 100 years.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. New 18th screen, 1992. There we go.
Cutting down a lot of those in the States.
Really?
Yeah, we had a course 1892, and they cut down their famous tree in the middle of the fairway.
Just lay up.
Just you?
Yes, me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same brand, man. You confused.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
like, geez, did I leave
yeah.
your club on the hole already?
I spent many hours in that bit of rough on the left as a junior looking for golf balls.
It's a fun little course, man.
Yeah.
Growing up on. That's pretty cool. You got to grow up on this course too.
Oh yeah, it's great.
What was your favorite hole here? Number 8, right?
I like 8, yeah. 7's difficult, but it was nice.
7.
This is always a challenge because you've got to rough and out of bounds.
Oh wow, look at this. nice summer day. It's got a jump.
Oh yeah. Back box.
Yeah, we're here in the spring, beginning of the spring, so it's not as great, but still grateful to get out here.
I think there's out of bounds on the 5th.
Okay. You just want to get right up there and just shoot it again.
Yeah, so maybe 4 iron.
And then this hole.
So 15 is a par 5, and this is the longest par 4.
I don't think I never see anything like that.
Yeah.
Never. Hey, the bus systems was pretty easy.
Yeah, and I noticed your fare was very cheap as well.
Can't beat this.
Your normal tee box.
Wow.
Of course. And then down there, yeah, where they have the white tees sometimes.
Oh, wow.
Actually down beyond that.
Oh, yeah.
Smell the course. Like coconut?
Yeah.
Yeah?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it's just magic.
Yeah, you can smell it. Wow, look at that. Windows have been running. I don't know what this old structure was. Oh, wow.
But it was in ruins when I played.
Okay.
30 odd years ago, so they've actually opened it out. There used to be a bit more of a hedgerow back there.
Yeah, it's awesome.
But, yeah,
Right on the hole.
a lot of history, certainly. Again,
Yeah, it is a cool course. Nice. And now, just no wind. It's almost like a little valley here. It's a totally different golf course on some of these holes. That's really hidden.
yeah.
So right over that, boom.
Yeah, but the safe play is just sort of probably about a 5 iron, 6 iron, down to the corner where that blossom tree is.
Okay.
Just on that sort of line there. With a line in the middle.
Wow. Holy mackerel. This is
Off the
awesome.
back boxes, this is fun.
Where are we hitting? From up there, right?
So yeah, from the blue tees we're going to go. I'll just move this out of the way, get back. So what we got here, 142. Nice. Yeah.
And the course ends right here where you can see people on the beach and also finish your round of golf. Take a look at the pro shop though and the clubhouse.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that the calf was from the 1100s. So, yeah, fairly old.